Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I got some mail from one of my subscribers. So yeah, I gotta share it with you because that's who I am. I like to share. And when I get a chance to film, boy do I film. I film lots of stuff. So this is from Mari Cho. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. But she did win one of my giveaways. Look at the pretty sticker. And I just want to see what's in here. Because it's a little chunky envelope. Aw, thank you. Look how pretty. So a thank you note from the gift. Oh, look, she sent me a collagen eye treatment mask. Is that not sweet? She won a giveaway from me and I got something out of it. That's just amazing. So this is from Mint Biology, a seaweed collagen eye treatment mask. There's one pair of luminous deep hydration relaxing eye masks in here. Very cool. Oh, and stickers. She sent me stickers. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. Look at the butterfly. Oh, that's gorgeous. Good things take time. Very cute. I love the stickers. Haha, this is me almost every day. Not today. Yeah, I may have had a not today day just the other day. Oh, this one's so pretty. Look, I love flowers. I love the flowers. Says Gina, thank you so much for the awesome goodies. Enjoyed watching the Lazy Days of Summer collab. Love the colorful eyeshadow palette and the purse. Thank you, Marie. Super sweet. Thank you, sweetheart. You are an amazing subscriber. You have been with me for quite a while, and I've really enjoyed talking to you and getting to know you, and I look forward to getting to know you more. So everybody, thank Marie. Tell her she's amazing, and I really appreciate it. And also, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It is free. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them to subscribe and press that notification bell. Y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless.